distribute, and combine terms. So for the first one, you see we have a parentheses and a number in front. That's the time we have to distribute. Namely, we have to take this, multiply inside, and multiply that as well. So here we go. We have 3 times 4x, that's going to give us 12x. And then 3 times negative 5, that will give us minus 15. So that's the first part that we have. And then for the second part, we will have to take the negative 2 times this and also times that. So have a look. Negative 2 times 3x, that will give us negative 6x. And then negative times negative, that will give us plus, and 2 times 12 is 24. So that's what we have. So here we just have to combine terms now. And we see 12x minus 6x, we can combine. And that's just, you just subtract the coefficients. 12 minus 6 is 6. And then you keep the x term, just like this. And then for the minus 15 plus 24, of course, you just combine the numbers and you end up with plus 9. So the final answer right here is just 6x plus 9, just like that. As of the second one, again, we have this parentheses and then we have this number in front. This is negative 1/2, but still, we will take this and then distribute in, like this and like that. So have a look. Right here, the 10x stays, and the next, negative times positive, that will give us negative 1/2 times 6. You can just ask yourself, what's half of 6? That means that 6 divided by 2, and you get 3 for that. So you have 3, and this is the x term. And then you continue. Negative times negative, that will give us positive. And you ask yourself, what's half of 8? Half of 8 is 4. And then you have the y term, so just leave it like this. And then right here, we have the plus 12y. We just write it down. And then after this, we can just combine terms. 10x minus 3x, that will give us 7x. And then 4y plus 12y, that will give us plus 16y. And then after that, we are done, just like that.